Our top story at 4:30, the State Department of Health working to improve the state's public health lab.
This after an investigation by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. News 9's Erica Rankin shows us how the OSDH is moving forward.
CMS tells me that an on-site complaint was made to them back in September, which sparked the review. State health officials tell me the review was timely after moving the lab from Oklahoma City to Stillwater to help them set up the lab for long-term success.
That's something that anybody has the right to make a direct complaint to CMS, and they were following up on that complaint. Those complaints are considered confidential. In many cases anonymous as well. So it's not something that I have the details of the complaint.
Keith Reed, interim commissioner of health, says after receiving the report from CMS on the lab, these were some of the key areas to work on. That includes modernized lab security and resolving reporting on COVID-19 sequencing results. OSDH says they outlined their plans to fix these and other problems and sent that report to CMS.
We really need to wait for their response back to us to acknowledge that they have accepted those plans, or if we need to talk about more things that we need to do to create an acceptable plan.
The lab was moved to Stillwater during the pandemic. Reed says the fact that this investigation occurred should give Oklahomans peace of mind that the system of checks and balances is working.
The CMS report is an example of the process that's in place to ensure standards across the industry, and it helps to spur us to enhance our own internal processes as well.
Once the report is finalized, Reed says they will work to get us that information. Right now, there's no specific timeline set as to when they will get that final report. In the newsroom, Erica Rankin, Oklahoma's Own News 9.